Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Before we get started, I'd love to give a huge shout out to Abu Dhabi Department of Economic Development, Ministry of Economy, and World Economic Forum, as well as International Advisory Group, Dr. Nabil, Dr. Yasser, Barkha, Racha, the team. It's been a pleasure running this program with you, and super excited to see the great turnout. We've had 14 incredible startups go through the program the past 12 weeks. And so many of them traveled from all around the world to be here. Hope you have a really good, productive trip. Just quickly, my name is Jordan Bray. I'm a vice president of Plug and Play. I live in Abu Dhabi. Have been working for the firm for about 8 years. Across the globe, for those who don't know our numbers, we've invested in about 2,000 companies with about 30 plus unicorns in the portfolio, 20 of which were the first checks in. We've been continued growing across the globe over the years. We've been able to open up 60 different locations and scale the business to about 800 employees. But why we exist is we want to invest in amazing founders, and we want to support founders and startups. And if we can do that very efficiently across the globe, naturally we'll find amazing investment opportunities. In addition to that, we're supporting about 650 corporations, which I know most of you have met a handful of them, whether it be through the program and then post-program, we'll be supporting you. But if you guys have any questions about different locations we have or different events, please reach out to us, and we're more than happy to connect you with our investor network, our government network, our corporate network, our founder network across the globe. All these doors are open for you. Just a little bit about us in the region. Below you'll see all of our partners. So we're running different incubators, accelerators, advisory projects for all the entities you see here below. We're like 75 people strong between UAE and Saudi. We've been here since 2019. So for those who are sticking around like after today and you guys need help connecting with different entities, like we have our partner here, Hub 71, who would just love to help you guys expand here. Would love you to also consider that, and we're all here to help you do that. So for this program, we had a lot of interest from across the globe. Our team sourced about 1,500 companies, and we only accepted 14 of those businesses. And a lot of that is based on the traction those companies had, the investors, but more importantly, the founders. So I think if we look at this cohort today, like the founders that are going through the program is extremely really high quality because they're doing a great job. And like I said, if there's anything we can do to continue supporting you going forward, hopefully we'll be running this program for years to come. But with that, they only gave me 3 minutes to open up today. I'll pass it to Christian to talk about this cohort, but really appreciate all the partners locally, internationally, and really appreciate you founders getting yourselves here to Abu Dhabi, and hope you have an amazing trip. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Jordan. So today we have 13 startups that are going to pitch. We have startups that flew in yesterday and today, all the way from US, UK, Nigeria, Kenya, Germany, Finland, Sweden, South Korea, and we have a couple of them that are born here in the UAE. So really a diverse cohort that are going to pitch here today. So we have technologies that you're going to learn about the next 1 hour, ranging from cross-border payments, fraud detection, maritime, road, and air freight and logistics, smart border, smart tires, smart warehousing, and timber trading. So really covering a lot of different aspects of trade tech. So the format for this session is each of the 13 startups will get 3 minutes to pitch. So you will just briefly get to know about them. What you can do for the audience, you can scan this QR code. You will find an overview of all the startups here today. And of course, startups will be sticking around after the demo day. So if there are anyone that you would like to chat with, don't hesitate to poke them. And if anything, you're welcome to come directly to me or the Plug and Play team. And we are happy to connect you with the founders. Now let's get it started, and I would like to welcome the first startup to the stage. The first startup is Vortexa. That is a British company, and Vortexa, they provide energy and shipping companies with the complete picture of global energy flows available in the world. So please, Fabio, founder of CEO, please enter the stage.
Thank you very much, Christian. It's a pleasure to be here with all of you today. And like to just call out here the amazing work of Plug and Play. We'll be working together the last few weeks here in so many initiatives. So it's really a pleasure and great to be here with you today. Vortexa does provide the energy and shipping industry with a real-time view on what's happening in the world today on energy and freight markets. We're able to track in real time, movement by movement of energy in the world. It is an immensely valuable industry. It's about 3 trillion traded every year. This is an industry that is behind every other industry. It's behind geopolitics, it's behind governments, it's behind society. We can only operate today as a society in the way in which we live, the quality of life that we live, because of energy and how energy is used in a global level. So the big problem here we're solving is that this is a market that is, for great part, not digital, right? So no one knows who has what, where, when, how much energy is costing the world physically. And this creates massive amounts of inefficiency for the world in the scale of billions, 3-digit billions. So the problem we're solving touches many different elements of society, coming from energy security, so having energy available where it's needed the most, at the right price, and in the most efficient way possible. By understanding how energy is moving in real time, decisions can be made to optimize the world with immense benefits for society. So here's a view of our platform, right? So this is something that our clients access in real time and make decisions about where to move energy, how fast, and at how much often. So we today have as clients all the super major energy companies, quite a few governments, institutional investors, investment banks, about 300 clients globally today using our system to make decisions worth $3-digit billion per year. So our platform allows a level of optimization that is really benefits society, but also making those markets much more efficient. We are 9 years old, so we were born in the UK. Now we have 6 offices, about 160 people globally, with a very fast-growing track, particularly here in the region. So we are both in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, and a very fast-growing office here in the region, which we're super excited, which brought me here today, and very happy to be meeting all of you here. Glad to have any conversations afterwards as well. Thank you so much, and enjoy the day.
Thanks a lot, Fabio.